Fake supplements are increasing day by day. What's up, warriors? Amit, certified sports nutrition specialist, and today I'm going to tell how to distinguish between genuine mutant whey or fake mutant whey, how you can identify in just one click. First, check whether your product contains the yellow Caesar mark or not, because fake sellers, what they do, they cut this Caesar mark, then take out the original protein powder and fill it with cheap protein powders, which might even damage the kidneys as well. There should be TMR R symbol present on the right hand corner wherever this text mutant or whey is mentioned in your product. There are only 4 flavors available for genuine mutant whey. These are vanilla ice cream, strawberry cream, triple chocolate, and cookies and cream. If your product flavor doesn't match, then please check the official website for latest product details. Genuine mutant whey comes in just 2 weights, that is 5 lbs and 10 lbs. If your product weight doesn't matches, then your product is likely to be a fake one. Check the bottom of your product. There should be lot number and expiration date with time mentioned. If these information are missing, then your product is a fake. Your product should have a barcode. This helps the shopkeepers during checkout. Now the important thing to note is that check the first 2 digits of your barcode. It should lie between 60 to 99. Since my product begins when 62, that's why my product is genuine. Your product should contain a premium looking scoop. If you find the scoop look somewhat cheap, or it's kind of like made up of some kind of cheap materials, then it's definitely a fake one. Mixability separates a fake product from a genuine one. I have 1 scoop of triple chocolate on one hand. On the other hand, I have around 200 to 3 ml water. So let's put this. I won't cut the camera so that the mixability is absolutely crystal and clear for you. I'm just using a stirrer, that is a spoon. In blender bottle, the mixability is very good, I've seen. And since it's triple chocolate, the color is brownish. If it's something like yellow or white, then definitely it should be fake. So if you can see, I haven't stirred much, but the mixability is perfect. It's completely dissolved. There are no clumps formed, and I'll put this camera from the top as well so that you can check the mixability. It's very lovely. Now it's time to check the taste. Fake always distinguishes with the genuine with respect to the taste. So I have triple chocolate with me, and it smells very good. It smells like a chocolate, definitely. So let's taste. Awesome taste. The taste is absolutely delicious. It's smooth. It's like a cream. It's sweet as well. People who prefer not very much sweet and not tasteless, it's in between, I'll say, and one of the best tasting protein even, so you can give it a shot. I'll say I have a triple chocolate. It tastes delicious. Always purchase products from genuine importers or authorized importers so that you don't end up buying a fake supplement. So there are only 2 importers in India if you're watching from India, that is Bright Performance Nutrition and Sri Balaji Overseas. If you want me to personally verify your product, then please click the join button and select the appropriate membership level, and then connect and inbox me on Instagram at @AmitPhysique. I'll be glad to help you out with whether your product is genuine or fake. Also, please consider sharing this video with your friends and family members so that it can help you or your family members. So please don't go away. Let's meet in next video.